Here are my top 5 apps for an average Mac user.
First is Blip. This one's simple but useful. It lets you send files between devices instantly, and there's no file size limits, which is actually a good thing. So you don't need to worry about no cables or even airdrop issues. It's just perfect if you're moving stuff between Mac, Windows, or even Android. Next is Alfred, like from Batman. So think of this like Spotlight, but a little bit more powerful. You can launch apps, search files, run shortcuts, and this is just all from your keyboard. Once you actually get used to it, you might even just stop clicking around a bit. Now, if you want more features, obviously there is a paid version, but the free version still works perfectly fine. And here are some examples of some searches that you can actually do with Alfred. Then we have App Cleaner. When you actually delete apps, normally files usually get left behind, but you don't really know it. So this just removes everything properly, so your Mac doesn't slowly fill up with junk. You simply just drag and drop the app that you want to remove, and that's it. Now, for my fellow ad blockers, you might want to look at One Blocker if you use Safari. This essentially just blocks ads, trackers, and any unnecessary scripts, which usually speeds up your browsing and just makes everything cleaner. And finally, Alt Tab. Now, this one is not really a need. This essentially just gives your Mac a proper Windows style app switcher, so you can actually preview and switch between windows properly. Once you actually use it, the default Mac one does kind of feel a little bit outdated. So none of these are really flashy, but they fix small things that you might deal with every day. And these few apps could actually make your Mac feel a little bit better to use.